Hey everyone, it's Tyler of Vire Sabers. Today I'm going to be showcasing the brand new Reaver's Arsenal alternate Proffie config that we have. He has provided us with 20 brand new original to Reaver's Arsenal sound fonts that he created, and it is available as an option to, you can upgrade your Proffie that you're buying from us and we'll put it on there for you, or you can buy it standalone and download it and do it yourself. If you do purchase this upgrade with the Proffie, you will still get the original sound pack from LGT plus the duality. It'll just be on your SD card. So if you want to use the old style, you'll have to go back in with Arduino and reconfigure it to the other one. But you will get both configs and you'll get all of the sound fonts on the SD card. Alright, so with that said, let's take a look. Okay, so right now we're just on the battery meter. Let's take a look at the first one.
The Dark Lord, Venom.
We'll just keep them rolling. I'll go ahead and I'll keep putting up at the bottom of the screen here the name of each font.
Revan never fell. When I kill you, I will have killed the last Jedi.
Hey, if you want to do business with the slug, it's none of my concern. I will kill you if I must, but I sense that you will not make that necessary.
You can't stop the Empire! A new power is rising. I've foreseen it.
Sabers Arsenal alternate Proffie config available on our website. Also, if you want any of these fonts individually, like you don't want to buy the whole package, you can get them from Reaver's Arsenal's website. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to hit us up. This is, in fact, the Venom-inspired saber that we are giving away for the 2K giveaway as a thank you for everyone who has been a part of the Vire Sabers Facebook page and helped us out along the way. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you out there.